Hello, people. It's your host, Eric Estrada. We're here with another episode of the Widow's Son Tattoo Reviews. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the notifications of when I drop videos of new reviews. All right. So let's go ahead and talk about a product that I've been working with for a bit. And I met this gentleman, the owner of this company, at a tattoo convention, the Inked Anatomy Tattoo Convention that I last did. Um, he's a very good, talented artist, and he makes his own brand of tattoo glide with all natural ingredients and products. The company is called Pink Craft. This is the glide. Comes in this nice pink box, somewhere around $30. It has 6.76 fluid ounces. This is what the bottle of Glide looks like. Okay. And when you purchase his stuff, this is his business card. His name is Ness Perez, artist and CEO of Pink Craft Skincare. All right. He's a very nice man. I met him and we started talking about the ingredients of his product, and everything here is natural. Shea butter, mango seed butter, avocado butter, sunflower oil, and a couple of rosemary extract, jojoba seed oil, schicklekins, citric acid, and some fragrance. This ointment I've been using already for tattooing, and only a little bit goes a long way. I find that it doesn't make that clumpy mess that you get with Aquaphor, and it clogs up way less your cartridges. So I love his product. I'm going to start carrying it so that I can use it and so that I can sell it in my store also. He also sells, besides the Glide, he also sells an aftercare packet. Okay. When you purchase the aftercare packet, it comes in a beautiful little case like this, right? And this goes ahead and tells you all about it. It's a little pamphlet with the instructions and everything that it brings in the package. The package is pink, just like all of his products, like this, in a nice see-through carrying case. Inside of it, we're going to get 3 bottles and a lanyard, just like the one that I use that carries the keys to my shop. That's the lanyard. You're going to get a cleansing soap bottle with 1.7 fluid ounces. Then you're going to get an aftercare gel with 1.7 fluid ounces and a daily body lotion with 1.7 fluid ounces. And I'm not going to go ahead and bore you with all the ingredients, but again, just like his skincare product, it is very good and made with natural stuff. So if you want, hit my friend Nez up and get yourself some of his product. Like I said, I soon will be able to carry it along with other options in my tattoo studio. But let's give a shout out to Pink. Thank you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Make some comments. All right? Share the video. Help your homie grow. See ya to the next one.